morning how I make pancakes, but I'm going to freeze mine for my grandbabies when they come and I got to take them to school. Easy peasy. All right, so I'm going to double my recipe. So I'm going to use 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. And in this little dish here, okay, I've got a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 4 teaspoons, no, excuse me, a tablespoon and a half of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to put all that right in there. The cornstarch is kind of like a secret ingredient because, you know, it's the greatest stuff. It will break down the proteins in the flour and give you a wonderful, tender baked good, no matter what you put it in. So, with that, I'm going to mix this together, just like sifting, you know. Okay, and I'm going to leave a little spot there in the middle because I am going to pour my eggs in there. It calls for 2 beaten eggs. It also calls for a 1/4 cup of oil. I just use regular vegetable oil. And 2 cups of milk. Now the only reason why I'm doubling this is because I don't make this all the time. I always have it ready for when in the freezer. And then I just take them out and pop them in the toaster. And, you know, it's great for them. Quick and fast and easy. They turn out beautiful when you bake them up or fry them up and put them in the freezer, and then you take them out, put them in the toaster for the kids, put jelly on it, peanut butter, whatever you want, but these are fantastic. I want to mix up real good. I got my fry pan, my skillet all ready to go, oiled up. And these, friends, will be wonderful. You can do this with, I don't have a waffle maker. Oh boy, that'd be nice to have. But if I did, I'd make waffles up and put them in the freezer just the same. Okay, so I've got this little 1/4 measuring cup because I do this for my grandkids, so I don't need it that big. But anyway, here's my pan, and it is all ready and warm. I just got it on low, and I am going to start putting my pancakes in there. Perfect size for the grandbabies, I'm telling you. And I just leave my burner on low because you know that, oh, where is it? Your cast iron gets hot so fast. I know they're not always round. They're just beautiful though. They love them and they're easy to make and they're perfect for the freezer. I usually always have a great big gallon-sized bag of these all in the freezer, but I'm out, literally, so. And they're coming tomorrow, so I just let it go till they got to be flipped. They get good and bubbly on the top. After I flip them, I'll be back. Hey friends, I just flipped them. Now I'm going to let them go on the other side for a little bit, and I'm going to put them on my tray over here to go in the freezer. Because that's what I freeze them on. And I'll just leave them in the freezer all night. They'll be frozen beautiful, and then I can just take tomorrow and put them in the bags. And you don't have to get them really, I'll flip that one back, really golden brown, because you know when you put them in that toaster, I was going to go back a little more, when you put them in a toaster it'll brown them up a little bit as well, so they'll be wonderful. You just want them all done. So let me get a few more going and I'll be back. Here we go for round 2. This is a perfect size for kids. And see, I just put them on my little tray here, and then I put them in the freezer. Turns out wonderful. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to do, and I'll be back and show you when I'm all done with them how they look. Friends, how they get nice and bubbly, and then I just take and give them a flip. Turns out perfect. There you are. I'm going to finish cooking these all, or frying these all up, and when I'm done I'll show you all of them. There you have it, friends. My pancakes are all done. They turned out beautiful. They're ready for the freezer. I can package them when they're frozen, and they'll be ready for my grandbabies to enjoy. So there you have it. And you know what? Save yourself some money in the grocery store. Make your own. They're wonderful, and you know what's in them, and they're budget friendly. So there you have it, friends. Thanks so much for watching.